all of you are trying for MBBS, I believe, and it's good that to see you over here. I am Dhananjay. I am the CEO of Moksha, and Moksha is a company which is focused on healthcare segment. जो भी बच्चा 18 साल की उम्र में डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है और यहाँ से जो जर्नी चालू होती है, तो इसकी जो करियर की प्लानिंग है, वो प्लानिंग करने में मोक्ष बहुत मदद करता है. तो दिस इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट हाफ एन आवर basically thought process which I want to share with you. We have done that for last so many years. More than 67,000 people have attended on live in the last 4 or 5 years. And it's the same thing which I talk to various target audience. Anybody who is appearing for NEET 2021 or those who have appeared in 2020 or in 19, this whole webinar is going to open their eyes up. So, what is Moksha? Moksha has its presence in multiple cities across the country. We have 35 locations in different cities in this country and where we are present. So, you can always have such kind of an online presentation, or you can also meet our counselors in various cities so that you can also do the career planning. What is Moksha Academy? Lot of students ask us what is Moksha Academy. So, आप सभी को मैं बता दूं कि एक डॉक्टर बनने की जो जर्नी होती है वो बहुत अलग है. आपके दिमाग में आज की तारीख में सिर्फ नीट और एडमिशन, ये दो ही चीज दिमाग में घूम रही है. ज्यादा से ज्यादा नीट के साथ में 600 प्लस, ये दो तीन शब्द के ऊपर 100% फोकस रख के यू आर गोइंग अहेड विथ योर प्रिपरेशंस, करेक्ट. बट देयर इज मच मोर टू टॉक अबाउट, मच मोर टू थिंक अबाउट, एंड सो मच मोर टू नो अबाउट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू ऑल दैट. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ टू रीच 600. आई एम गोइंग टू talk to you about whether you get 600, 500, 300, doesn't matter. All of you can become a doctor. There are enough of ways to become a doctor. And wherever you are becoming a doctor from, whether it's India, abroad, combo, government college, private college, deemed university, nothing matters. सभी का रोड मैप एक ही होता है जहाँ पे एकेडमी आता है बीच में. क्योंकि आप जब MBBS करते हो तो आपके पास डिग्री मिलती है. एक डॉक्टर के पास लाइसेंस भी होना जरूरी होता है प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए. और ये जो डिग्री से लाइसेंस का जो जंप है, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अ लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन. In India, now there is a new license examination called National Exit Test which has been introduced. This academy is the largest academy to teach doctors. So we are not only counseling, guiding and making doctors, we are teaching doctors. So we'll talk more about it. And Moksha Travels is more into, youth travel and all those things which doesn't, is not very relevant with the doctors. So क्या आज हम 4 points क्या बात करेंगे. First, 600 लाने के लिए मोक्ष कैसे हेल्प करेगा. दूसरा, क्योंकि 16 लाख लोग एग्जाम दिए थे 2020 में और सिर्फ 35,000 सीट्स थी, सक्सेस रेशियो 2% था, मतलब 98 परसेंटाइल जिसको था वही डॉक्टर बन पाया इंडिया में. जिसको बाकी के ये जो स्टूडेंट्स रह गए वो कहाँ गए, तो MBBS अब्रॉड या तो फिर कॉम्बो. ठीक है. तो ये तीनों चीज के बारे में भी हमको समझना पड़ेगा, एज वेल एज पूरा करियर प्लान करने के लिए सबसे बड़ी जो एग्जाम है आपके लाइफ की एज अ डॉक्टर, दैट इज लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन, मेडिकल लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन. जैसे इंडिया में अभी नेक्स्ट आ गया है, यूएस में US MLE है, मेडिकल लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन. जर्मनी में FSP है. अलग अलग कंट्री में अगर किसी भी बच्चे को डिग्री से लाइसेंस लेना है, आप कोई भी डॉक्टर के क्लिनिक में जाते हो, व्हेन यू सी देयर इज अ फ्रेम व्हिच इज हैंग्ड ऑन द वॉल, इट शोज द लाइसेंस इज इश्यूड टू सो एंड सो फिजिशियन एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स, करेक्ट. एक डिग्री का भी फ्रेम होता है, एक लाइसेंस का फ्रेम होता है. अगर आप महाराष्ट्र में हो तो MMC, महाराष्ट्र मेडिकल काउंसिल, वो इश्यू करता है लाइसेंस. तभी जाके आप जॉब कर सकते हो या क्लिनिक खोल सकते हो या पेशेंट्स को सर्व कर सकते हो. सो वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंटायर साइकिल फ्रॉम 12th स्टैंडर्ड up to MBBS and extend it up to PG. क्यों? क्योंकि इसी में सेंस है, इसमें अभी कोई चार्म नहीं रह गया. इसकी कोई वैल्यू, रिस्पेक्ट और मनी, ये तीन चीजों के लिए आप डॉक्टर बन रहे हो. ये तीनों चीज इस लेवल पे आ गया है दुनिया भर में. तो इफ यू आर नॉट अ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट यू कैन नॉट इवन गेट अ लाइसेंस. बट वी आर लकी दैट वी आर इंडियंस, वी गेट द लाइसेंस एट द अंडर ग्रेजुएट लेवल, नॉट एट द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट लेवल. सो इवन आफ्टर MBBS all the students were being issued licenses. Earlier till 2020 there was no examination. डिग्री लिया, लाइसेंस मिलेगा. 2020 के बाद में डिग्री लिया, लाइसेंस एग्जाम में क्वालिफाई करो तो लाइसेंस मिलेगा. ये एक एडिशनल स्टेप आ गया. So guys, we will have to understand this. This is the agenda. This is all covering the doctors, and this is the most important part in the entire journey of becoming a doctor. क्या हमको MBBS तक रोकना है? क्या हमारा टारगेट स्पेशलिस्ट बनना है, कार्डियो बनना है, न्यूरो बनना है, ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जन बनना है, आपको पीडियाट्रिशियन बनना है, गायनेक बनना है, या सिर्फ MBBS करके अपनी छोटी सी जिंदगी चलानी है? सो आप लोग अपनी एज को भूल के, टाइम को भूल के, सब कुछ भूल के आप अपना पूरा टाइम अंदर डाल रहे हो। अब हालत क्या होगी जब 53% स्टूडेंट्स रिपीट करेंगे? लास्ट ईयर थे 16 लाख। इमेजिन 2020 के जो स्पिल ओवर होगा, 2021 के नीट में मैक्सिमम नीट के रिपीटर्स आएंगे। क्या होगा तब? Naturally, they have much more chance to get into it. They have much longer preparation period. They have gone through a cycle. They know the problems. They have identified their weaknesses. They have done much better than the first timers. और उस चक्कर में जब लाखों की संख्या में रिपीटर होते हैं, तो 35,000 सीट्स जो गवर्नमेंट की है वो किसको जाएगी? मैक्सिमम सीट्स रिपीटर को जाएगी। फर्स्ट टाइमर सोचेगा सर अभी तो एक ही टाइम ट्राई किया था, मेरे को दोबारा, अगेन ही विल बिकम और शी विल बिकम अ रिपीटर. Again they will all realize the fact is only 2% can go. So it is right time that your statistics and analytics are very clear in your mind. आज रिपीटर को उसके पास नीट का स्कोर कार्ड है. अगर आप 150 पे थे तो अचानक 600 से ऊपर नहीं जा सकते, और 600 से ऊपर नहीं हो तो 60 से 70 लाख रुपया इंडिया में प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस का लगना ही लगना है. कुछ नहीं हो सकता उसका. या 300 है तो 300 से 600 का जंप अभी 2 महीने 3 महीने, अभी एक्सपेक्टेड है कि 27 जून को होगा, ऐसा सुनाई दे रहा है. नहीं, ठीक है ना? इट विल बी डिलेड फॉर श्योर, ऐसा लग रहा है. अनाउंसमेंट नहीं हुई है अभी. रिपीटर्स इतने सारे हैं, 2021 का और डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है. अपने दिमाग में अपने सारे ऑप्शंस को क्लियर रखना पड़ेगा कि कैसे मैं डॉक्टर बन सकता हूँ. डॉक्टर बनने का एक पैशन होता है, इट्स अ कीड़ा. एक बार जिसको इसने अंदर चला गया वो डॉक्टर के सिवा और कुछ नहीं बन सकता. बिलीव मी, you will be repenting if you don't become a doctor because you are so hardcore on this. Then only you can become a doctor. So you have 3 options now in life. Okay, let's consider crack NEET 2021 with lot of things against first timers who are 50% on this webinar, and repeaters who have much better chances, but then the problem is they will not like to repeat once more. So this is do or die situation pressure for them. And even if it is there, enhanced number of students are approximately 20 लाख लोग 35,000 सीट 36,000 सीट के लिए मारामारी करेंगे. क्या हाल होगा? Guys, it's going to be hardly 2% success with 1% general category and 1% reserved category. बाकी के 99 या 98% स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ न कुछ नया सोचना पड़ेगा. ऑप्शंस हैं और ऑप्शन है. मोक्ष नीट क्रैक करने के लिए एक स्पेशल सॉफ्टवेयर हर वेबिनार अटेंडी को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देने वाला है. एग्जैक्टली 30 डेज बिफोर योर नीट. समझो अगर 27 जून को नीट अनाउंस होती है डिलेड, तो 26 मई को आपको एक सॉफ्टवेयर दिया जाएगा so that you can crack NEET. And this software, this mobile app is going to enhance your score by 50 to 80 marks. ये कोचिंग टूल नहीं है. Let me tell you very clearly, we don't coach NEET. You have enough of professors, online, offline, physical coaching, private tuition, सब कुछ लेके बैठे हो आप. कई लोग सेल्फ स्टडी पे हैं रूरल एरिया में. ये सॉफ्टवेयर करेगा क्या? मोबाइल ऐप आपका सब्जेक्ट वाइज टेस्ट लेगा. आप टेस्ट दो, ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा ऐप आपके अंदर जितनी जो टॉपिक फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बॉटनी और जूओ, इसके जो 97 चैप्टर्स हैं, वो हर एक चैप्टर वाइज एक एक टॉपिक के ऊपर ये बोलेगा कि भाई आप में ये वीकनेस है. सभी रिपीटर को पता है कि सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम उनके पास लास्ट 30 डेज में यही था, पढ़ूं क्या, व्हाट शुड आई स्टडी इन द लास्ट 30 डेज. कॉमन क्वेश्चन था. एम आई करेक्ट? इफ यू स्टडी you are in trouble, but if you prepare and remove your weaknesses, you are enhancing your score. But for that आपके 1 या 2 साल की जो मेहनत है, उसके बाद में आपका एक्चुअल स्टेटस, स्ट्रेंथ, एवरेज एंड वीक, ये अगर आपको सामने दिखाई दे और इसी के ऊपर आप ध्यान दो, मैक्सिमम टाइम दो, इसको सिर्फ रिव्यू के लिए रखो, बट इसके ऊपर पूरा ध्यान देके तो आपके मार्क्स बढ़ने ही बढ़ने हैं. It has been going on for years. Moksha has been supporting students and they're absolutely free of cost. Not a single rupee charged for this. जिसको जिसको इसमें हजारों सवाल डाले हुए हैं. You know, स्पेशलिटी क्वेश्चन बैंक में नहीं है. स्पेशलिटी आपकी वीकनेस आइडेंटिफिकेशन में है, असाइनमेंट अलॉटमेंट में है और स्टडी प्लान क्रिएट करने में. अगर आपको ये 30 डेज में ऐसा प्लान मिल जाए which is based solely on your weaknesses, then you will automatically work on removal of it in the last 30 days. इसमें हम लोग सिर्फ डाउट क्लियरेंस सेशन होगा फ्री में और कुछ भी नहीं होगा, जस्ट टू सपोर्ट दिस पार्ट. सो कोचिंग आपको बाहर से लिया होगा आपने या सेल्फ स्टडी किया होगा, इज योर चॉइस, बट दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन गिव यू. Guys, does this make sense to all of you? Can you come on the question bank and tell me, does this whole thing makes sense to you? Would you like to go for a kind of a free app which helps you to remove your weaknesses? So that's all we can help you for the NEET 2021. But today I'm going to help you to make sure that you start thinking right up to post graduation. ये सिर्फ MBBS का जो सपना है वो बहुत छोटा है बॉस, क्योंकि डॉक्टर बनने के रास्ते बहुत खुल गए हैं. चाहे आप इंडिया में करो, चाहे आप अब्रॉड में करो, चाहे आपने 70 लाख रुपया देके दिया, तो भी इसके बावजूद भी आपको नेक्स्ट ही देना है, इसको भी नेक्स्ट ही देना है और कॉम्बो करने वाले को भी नेक्स्ट ही देना है. तो यहाँ से आपकी जर्नी अगर शुरू होती है तो ये जो एंट्री पॉइंट है यहाँ पे, जैसे नीट की तैयारी की, एग्जिट पॉइंट आपका आएगा, नेशनल एग्जिट टेस्ट लिया जाएगा, यहाँ पे से आपको तैयारी. तो ये जो जंप है लाइसेंसिंग एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की, जो सीट मिलने का जो जंप है, वो कंप्लीटली डिपेंडेंट होगा आपकी प्रिपरेशन के ऊपर. इन दिस 5 years 19 subjects of MBBS, how are you going to prepare them for the right examination? मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको, नीट का एग्जाम जो अभी प्रेशर दे रहा है वो छोटा लगेगा. नीट के तो ऑप्शंस हैं, नेक्स्ट का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, सिर्फ USMLE ही है मेजरली. थोड़े बहुत डॉक्टर जाते हैं जर्मनी जो लास्ट पके हुए होते हैं, बट या तो ये किसी न किसी लाइसेंस एग्जाम का प्रिपेयर करके अपना लाइसेंस लेना और रेसिडेंसी करना, मतलब कि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन तक जाना, स्पेशलिस्ट बनना, अपना ड्रीम पूरा कर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू थिंक यू शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर लाइसेंस एग्जामिनेशन सच एज नेक्स्ट और USMLE during your preparation of MBBS, course of MBBS? Or how many of you think you should simply study MBBS in the college and just prepare it in the last year for the license examination? What is the importance of preparing this license examination? These answers you are giving to yourself so that it hammers down and a complete career plan will come into the picture once the webinar is over. You'll be absolutely clear how your journey is going to be, what are the challenges in the journey, what are the preparations that you need to do, and where are the mistakes that you can do. This is the first filtration which will happen in NEET itself, and then next filtration will happen over here. This is your journey, and accordingly you have to plan your career. It's a very simple thing. We have lot many different varieties of webinars. Sometimes we talk about only MBBS abroad because 98% of the students are not able to make in India. That means there is a huge, why 20,000, 15,000 students go every year abroad. Even during COVID, so many people went here. So there are ways that you need to think about. It used to be like 150 to 400, huge number of students went into winter batch. They realized after listening to this webinar, there is no point. I cannot jump to 600. Why should I waste my time here? I should start my MBBS course. But now even this is booked and already everybody has gone off. Unqualified, they have no choice but to go for a combo program. So guys, what you are left with, whether you have got 150 in repeat or you have got 500 in repeat, the best thing that you can do is block a seat for September 21. Ensure that you are getting into the right country, right university, and your admissions are ready when the NEET results are out. It's as simple as that. Let that be a plan B when you know 98% of the chances are for rejection. हम लोग तो प्लान बी कब करते हैं, 50-50 चांस है तो भी प्लान बी का तैयारी करते हैं, करेक्ट? But when you already know the chances of getting into Indian medical school is either 98% or 70 lakh rupees, you better start planning for plan B, and that is abroad or combo. Keep one safe place for yourself. Do not waste one more year repeaters have to think that twice before they can do. So only qualification is only 147 marks for 2020 back. So it's hardly anything. Generally what happens is those who are serious, they all qualify. So nothing to worry about it. Out of 720, if you have studied for the whole year and if you are answering only the questions to which you know the answers, do not just, sir, ye right. If you don't do all that randomly, no negative marking, you are bound to get 147. Why 50 percentile of the students do not get even 147 is because they do the negative marking mistake. Even if they don't know the answer under pressure, they will just do it. So guys, this is the whole thing about career 12th science. Whether you do it in India, abroad, or combo of India and abroad, nothing matters. Everybody will have to go through the license examinations. Moksha Academy is the #1 license exam teaching platform. Whether you want to do it in India, or you want to do it in US, or you want to do it in Germany. Guys, one good news for all the webinar attendees. Once your NEET is done, examination is done, you can call Moksh on the same day or next day or WhatsApp or go to this and chat and tell them, I want free access to entire stuff. Any one of the exams you choose, you will get free trial right till you get into a med school. Once you get into the medical school, medical college, medical university, then only there is a question of charging. Till that time, you can access, you can get used to it, you can understand what are the subjects, level of difficulty, volume of study, type of topic, test, examinations, so everything is there on this license platform, exam platform. So we want you to get introduced to this place. People don't understand. There was an examination for the people who came from abroad. Do you know what is the passing ratio? Thousands of people go abroad every year. 61,000 people gave this FMG examination, foreign medical graduate examination, which is given by the doctors. Only 14.22% passed, only 8,700. Rest 52,000 doctors, they are not qualified physicians, they are not licensed physicians. Can you believe it? कोविड जैसे सिचुएशन में हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स के लिए इंडिया desperate थी. These many doctors are sitting at home or doing work like a medical representative. They also have a MBBS degree. Now these things are unknown to you because you never thought about these other options like abroad. Coaching classes and all, they have brainwashed you like anything. They have told, yes, beta, you will get 600 plus. You do our hard work and you will get it. Because it's their job to motivate you and keep you in that fashion. But the fact is, only 2% successful students will be there. 98% will have to think about. I'm not trying to demotivate. These are the facts, and people can plan their career in the right way so that you don't have to worry at the last minute. Okay, so this is still March because these are very discouraging figures. So we stop our webinars 15 days before NEET. We start again after NEET because we don't want this to affect anybody's mind. But these are the real facts which you must understand. 147 out of 720 is not something. I would say you should leave the dream of becoming a doctor. If you are not qualified, you can think about combo program where half of the program you join normal BSc and then you can get directly into 3.8-year program in Philippines. So these are the available opportunities for people who have not qualified. You can repeat during your BSc, you can repeat your NEET 3 times. There is no problem on that. Any one time you qualify, you can become a doctor. There is no problem. See, becoming a doctor is not a problem. You won't believe India needs desperately these doctors, all of you. NMC, the National Medical Commission, has passed the bill about next. Rajya Sabha today passed NMC bill. It has introduced next. You can just do your research well. The same NMC has given one super duper opening for all the students. NMC approved medical college. They are saying you study anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter to NMC. Your actual goal is next, not which country you are studying or which college you are studying. This is the body which gives you the license. They have told earlier Medical Council of India, now it has been replaced by NMC. They had given a list of medical institutions where you can study, but NMC says you can go anywhere you want. There is no necessity of getting anything. Just go to a medical school, study, but ultimately you have to pass the license exam. Becoming a doctor is now absolutely easy. does not endorse any list of foreign medical institutions. You go anywhere you want. Guys, this is a huge change which is happening in India because India needs doctors. India needs you. Are there number of seat for next, or it's like NEET top MBBS? No, no, no. Next is a qualifying examination. It is not a competitive examination. Your NEET is a competitive examination. Only top 2% will get. This is qualifying. If there are 1 lakh doctor who are appearing for next examination, if all of them qualify, all of them will get license. But here the competition again will come for the PG seats, not for licensing. So those who really want to make their career happen, they have to dream slightly bigger, clearer, and make sure that your MBBS seat is not a difficult thing to do. It can happen in just half an hour. You can ensure that you will study in a medical school. But going up to PG, preparing for these license examinations is something which you need to think about. And that's why we are going to give you free for 3 months after your NEET exam till you get into an MBBS course. You will have absolute access of all 3 examinations. Does this make sense to all of you? So this webinar gives you a very clear picture. Becoming a doctor is not easy. Becoming physician with a specialty is definitely something, an achievement. Making sure that you are a licensed physician is an achievement. Getting an admission into MBBS is just nothing. NEET qualify karo, doctor bano. Out of 16 lakh students, 8 lakh were qualified. Only 35,000 students were on merit. If you come on merit, India, you still have to prepare the same way. If you qualify abroad, you still have to prepare for the same exam. If you do not qualify combo, you still have to prepare later on for the exam. It's as simple as, guys, very simple way. I cannot allocate so much time, so I've given you 30 minutes, but I have counselors who are ready to chat with you constantly. If you visit our website, try doing it. Right now we are doing it only for 8 hours a day, starting from 9:30 or maybe 9 hours, approximately 6 o'clock. But once your NEET is over, we will be there from 10 o'clock to 10 p.m., 12 hours. In case somebody doesn't respond to you on the chat, simply do send a WhatsApp on this number. I need a support for counseling. I need an understanding of the programs. I need to university selection. I need your support for country selection. I want NEET free wala platform, or you can simply call them. Moksh, of course, has moksh16.com. If you go on the contact page, you can definitely get. So I'm going to close this webinar. You can always be in touch with our counselors to get more information. Just send hi on this WhatsApp and somebody will answer you, or say hi on the chat on the moksh16.com. Or you want to find a Moksh office near to your home, go to the website and go on the contact page. They will ask you to register for a personal meeting. Because of COVID, we are not entertaining much on that. You can book a slot for the counseling and they will come back. It's all free counseling. Okay. Thank you guys and see you sometime. Bye-bye.